Hi y'all. Today I'm going to be making a cheeseburger pie. A friend of ours told us about this recipe, so we wanted to give it a try. First of all, you want to start off with a pound of ground beef. Lean is the best, so it won't have a lot of grease coming off of it. You mix well. I like to use my little meat chopper to chop the meat up real fine. And then I want to add some onion powder, about a teaspoon and a half of onion powder, and a teaspoon and a half of garlic powder. And then I'm going to use some pink Himalayan salt. You can use regular salt, it's fine, just to taste. And then some black pepper also. This was really good. Thank you, Daniel, for the recipe, for telling us about it. I want to make sure all of that's mixed in well. Brown it really good. Then I'm going to add a whole diced onion. I like using sweet onions or yellow onions, whichever one I have. You cook this until the onions get translucent. This was yummy. Okay, now half a cup of Bisquick to a bowl. And then 2 tablespoons of this beefy onion mix. And kind of stir those together. Then I want to add a cup of milk to this. And then 2 beaten eggs. I hope everyone is doing fine out there and taking care of yourself. And mix these ingredients together well, whisk them. That looks really good. Okay, now I have a greased pie pan. You can use spray or Crisco butter, whatever you want to grease your pan, that's fine. Then just pour your meat in your pie pan. Just kind of stir it around, make sure it's all even. Oops, I left some onions on the spoon. Gotta get them. Now you want to take a cup of shredded cheese. I use mozzarella and cheddar, a mixture of both. And just kind of sprinkle it all over. I think next time I'm going to add some cayenne pepper or some chili powder. Make it have some spiciness. Okay, now you pour the wet ingredients over top. Make sure it's all mixed up well together. I preheated my oven to 400 degrees. You want to mash this down. And I want to put some crumbled bacon on there. Yummy, yummy bacon. That looks delicious. Look how brown. Now I'm going to garnish it with some green onions that I've cut up. Thank you all for joining me today. I hope you have a great day. Please give this a try. Thank you.